Hey everybody, it's Terrence and I am back with another video, and if you haven't, you should definitely consider subscribing. Click the bell icon below too so that you can stay updated with any content that I put out. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very special unboxing. I'm super excited to do it. So let's jump right into it. There is a very talented artist that I know personally. Her screen name is acolorfulchaos. I will put it here and put it also in the description below. She has recently branched out and started her own business, which is so super exciting. I think that having the courage and the drive and like the sheer like determination to go out and start your own like business from scratch is so inspiring. She definitely is a big Winston is literally trying to make a cameo in every video. Anyway, she's a huge inspiration to me just because she has branched out and done her own thing. She's taken her passion and she is literally making like a business out of it, and that's wild to me. So of course I had to support, plus I love art because I'm kind of an artist myself. So we're gonna be unboxing some art that I ordered from her personal website. Well, not personal website, her business website, her art website. I don't know. I'm going to put her website below in the description. Please go check it out because her stuff is actually phenomenal. I did order two of the same prints because I want to put them in different areas of my apartment that you guys can kind of see behind me. Gonna unbox it, tell you guys my thoughts and whatnot, and keep it pushing. So yeah. So this is the envelope. I'm not going to actually like show it because it has my address and it has her address very bold on it. It does say, "Do not bend, handle with care. Thank you." So we're gonna go ahead and open it now. Honestly, guys, I got these a little while ago and I've actually been so anxious about actually unboxing them. So there's that. So upon opening the package, I did order two 5x10 prints, and the 5x10s went for $10 each, I want to say. Then the bigger prints, and I do not remember the size because I'm an idiot, they are 15 a piece. I should have got a bigger one because this is cute and all, but I don't need my art to be like shablam, you know? Anyway, they are taped up in this tissue paper, which is this lovely, is this dark blue? I think it's dark blue. It looks black, but I think it's dark blue, but yeah. So we're going to gracefully tear this off. Oh my god. So in the back, what's this? I'm gonna open this. Hold on. Oh my god, this is so professional. Like, girl. So the first thing that I noticed was her business card. Her name is Delana Robbins, but her screen name is acolorfulchaos. That is the name of her business. And her tagline is "Embrace the chaos of creativity." I remember when she actually came up with that tagline, I was like, girl, but it's cool. So there's that, and also her business email is there. I will link that below too. So if you want to reach out to her for any commissions or, you know, just to ask her questions. If you are like a budding artist and you want to get directly from the artist's mouth, like how to go about doing everything, I'm pretty sure she would be super helpful. This is her business card. It's very cute. I think that it kind of like symbolizes everything that she's about. She is a black artist who does black art, and I love that. So anyway, let's get into the print. So they do come very beautifully wrapped, and I ordered two prints. Oh look, she's in the bag. She's in the bag. Oh, what was the name of this print? I don't know. I always call it the bumblebee. Look at this. Look at this. Are they not beautiful? I love this print. I actually watched her paint some of this print. She asked my opinion about some of the things that are in this painting. This is an actual painting that she did from scratch, and I literally was so freaking impressed with this one. Like, this is my favorite. I love the colors. It's dark, but also it gives like this, like, I don't even know what the feeling is. It's like the sense of like serenity, even though it is like a kind of darker piece. So we have this lady, she has all these scars on her with like honeycombs and bees, and like honey is kind of dripping, honey and flowers is like dripping out of her scars. She has the smoke that's also coming out of her eye. It kind of reminds me of like Candyman. It kind of gives me that vibe a little bit, But I love this print so freaking much. She has like 5 or 6 other prints on her page that she is actually selling all of the time that I think that you guys definitely should go check out. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put these in the frames and show you guys what these prints look like when they are all framed and beautiful. Where did I put the frames? I don't know where I put those frames. Listen, you don't need to make a cameo in every video. Anyway, how do you open a picture frame? What do you have? Stop eating stuff off the floor. Slide it in. Like, oh, you can take that all the way. Nice. Oh my God, she's framed. I love it. I think this is so pretty. I love this black frame. I love the fact that it's like an oval shape. The actual canvas that she used is an oval. So anyway, let's frame the second one. How do picture frames work? Also, of course, Winston is making his cameo because he thinks he's the star of the show. Hello. I literally cannot be this dumb. Like, there's no way that I'm this dumb and don't know how to. Listen, go away. Go. Shoot, go away. Thank you. Okay, so here is the other picture frame. This is both of them. I like this one because this one is like more like kabam. But I got this very simple one too. I think I'm gonna put it on my desk. But it's so cute. I love this. Maybe I should have 2 different ones. Also, these picture frames are vastly different in size. I'm going to put this one, like I said, on one of my floating shelves back here, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like in just a second. All right, guys, so that brings me to the end of this video. Like I said, I'm going to link all of Delena's, aka Winston, do you want to do my outro with me? Like I said before, I'm going to be linking all of Delena's, aka acolorfulchaos's information down below so you can check her out. Please, please, please go check her out. If you like art, I think that she will have something that you will like find super, super interesting, right, Winston? I'm gonna link all her stuff below. Make sure you go and check that out. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out and watching the video. I hope you had a good time. If you like art, definitely go check her out. I love supporting like smaller businesses before they get super huge. So I'm like, I like them first. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you are not already, go ahead and follow me on my other social media. It is HelloooTerance with 3 O's and 1 R, exactly how it's spelled here. Also, follow me on Twitch, because I stream semi-regularly. Look out for more content, and I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.